bring it back, make it clap. I got 3 old thoughts, new guap, where that thing, bitches on my line.
Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and today I'll be reviewing some slime again. Okay, I know you guys might be wondering what happened to my eye. So basically today I had an allergic reaction to peanuts, and yeah, my eye went a little bit swollen. But anyways, got my slime, and these are the instructions how to make it, so you guys can read this. Yeah, it's super cool. I'm so excited to make this, and super cool. Yeah. Okay guys, now I'm gonna open it and I'm gonna come back to it. Okay guys, I'm back. Now we're gonna make the slime. So here's the tube of slime. I'm gonna pour the whole thing in, and then we're gonna put the glitter in. Then we're gonna mix it. Then we're gonna put the activator in there. Okay guys, I'm going to start now. Okay guys, it's time to pour the glitter in. Okay guys, now it's time to mix the glitter. Whoa. Okay guys, I poured in 5 ml of the activator. Now it's time to mix it. Whoa, super sticky. Okay guys, so now I've mixed it. Now we need to wait for like 5 or 10 minutes, and okay, it's time to wait.
1 eternity later.
Okay guys, the slime is ready. So gooey. Okay guys, the video has ended. Now make sure you like and subscribe and follow me on Instagram. Yeah, this is a good video.